have to thank God for your family.
Wow. All right, thank you. That's lovely. That's lovely.
This chocolate tastes
Can I see that? As you light the second Advent candle, thank God for your family. Wow, that's so lovely. Guys, good morning all. Just feeling concerned and worried, thinking of what to do. Two of my kids aren't eating the way they should. But something just popped up my mind, like doing food challenge. Maybe that I will give a try. Maybe under camera it might work. But I've not decided what kind of food to prepare. But when I get off this bed, maybe I'll have an idea, guys. Hi guys, welcome back into this video, and it is our Vlogmas Day 4. Thanks for tuning in to watch Evermom Gist TV. I appreciate you all, and to my returning subscribers and my new subscribers, God bless you all for your support. Yeah guys, I've decided to prepare spicy chicken for my kids and also with smoothie. I normally spice my own chicken the way I like it. Like I said, this is going to be a pepperish chicken, and this is the oven chunk. That's what I'm going to add dried pepper to it also. So watch me while I open the chicken and put in a lot of spices. These are the spices I'm going to use, so to make it my own taste. So it said roast in the bag. So these are the chunks, like I told you. Can you say that? So these are the spices I'm going to add to it, especially these chilies, these crushed chilies, okay? This is how the chicken looks like. But I'm gonna cut it open and put my spice inside and put it. So guys, can you see the chicken ready to be in the oven? So the chicken is ready, it's set. Then after then is when I'm going to use this. And don't forget, I'm going to use this fresh pepper to make the sauce. Guys, check out the chicken. It's ready and well spiced. So this is the chicken, guys. Can you see the chicken? So this is it. So it's very spicy, guys. So that is it all for night. So this is what I think. Anyway, whoever that drinks smoothie is out of the game. So this is it, guys. That's it. So I'm going to time them, guys. So once I say start, they go. So whoever that finish his or her own, or at least within 2 minutes, without taking a sip, will declare the person the winner. The person is going to get £50 tonight and be free from house chores tomorrow. Let's start. This is the portion of the chicken each got. It's spicy, guys. It's spicy. Stop, guys. It's 2 minutes and yet it's not even half. I'm giving them again 4 minutes. 4 good minutes. So guys, we'll begin again, making a total of 6 minutes. Start.
People flew the engine.
Guys, slow down if you want to eat from
Guys,
so after the part of the
Angel is out of the game. You are out. No drinking. You're out of the game. Oh, you that love Pepe. Guys, I'm even surprised that my baby girl is eating. Whoever that eats and take extra is going to win more £10.
Okay.
They got from few seconds to end. All right.
I want to do that too.
Stop. So guys, this is 6. So 3 of them. Who ate the most? Fortune, no. Yours is still. Okay, I'm going to show the audience. They will see that and they will tell us.
I took extra.
Baby of the house is going to win. Look at Rena's own. Can you see that, guys? 6 minutes.
Angel's out.
Let me see your own. Angel is out. I'm going to show you guys. So this is Fortune's own. He tried. He finished his chips, but his chicken is still there. 6 minutes. Guys, from 2 minutes, I gave them extra 4 minutes. Yet he didn't even touch the
I took
meat.
extra.
That's your problem. You should have finished it.
Take.
That means
So if you finish, you take extra. You didn't finish. So Sophia tried. She's the most second. Can you see that? Okay. She tried, guys. So that's it. She tried so much. So that's a good girl. But my daughter Angel did not try at all, guys. She tried anyway. She ate some cheese, but the chicken, the pepper, she couldn't. This is it, guys. So this is the pepper chicken, and it's really, really spicy, honestly. So what do you have to tell my audience, guys?
Like, subscribe, and share.
And you?
Like, subscribe, and share.
So like, subscribe, and share. So thank you so much. I'm going to end this vlog here.
Who won?
What?
Who won?
Who won? I think, oh, sorry. Oh, God. Guys, the winner tonight is our little baby girl, Kosi. She won. Oh, guys, she's going home with £50, and tomorrow we're gonna carry her, pamper her, you know. So everybody's gonna pamper her as a baby in the house. So that is it anyway, and she's so happy. So tomorrow, over pampering is going to happen in this house. You know, we are thinking about. I was thinking my daughter Angel is going to win, but she was the first to go out of the game because she couldn't withstand the pepper. So I was even surprised. Look at her mouth. It's still pepper. Anyway, guys. So that is it all for today. 4th day of Vlogmas. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And what do you say? Bye-bye.